Question says a firm wants to know whether it belongs to the non-bankrupt class of firms. Certain figures are extracted from the financial statement of the firms. You are required to use Altman Z-score model and place the firm in the appropriate class. Figures are given for sales, EBITDA, assets, retained earning, liabilities, equity and working capital. चलिए क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करते हैं हम। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं एज पर ऑल्टमैन मॉडल z is equal to 1.2 x1 plus 1 x2 plus 3.3 x3 plus 0.6 x4 plus 1 x5. Also we know that x1 is equal to working capital divided by total assets. That is 8 lakh divided by 40 lakh, that is zero point 0.2. Further, x2 is equal to total retained earning divided by total assets. That is 24 lakhs divided by 40 lakhs, that is 0.6. x3 is equal to EBITDA divided by total assets, that is 10 lakh divided by 40 lakh, that is 0.25. x4 is equal to value of equity divided by liabilities, that is 80 lakh divided by 16 lakh, that is 5. Next, x5 is equal to sales divided by total assets, that is 20 lakhs divided by 40 lakh, that is zero point 0.5. Now we will put all the x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 value in formula of z, that will come to 5.405. Since the value of z is greater than 2.99, so we can say firm is a non-distressed firm and a non-bankrupt class. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.